Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your profile on Binance. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Binance website. Log into your Binance account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, look for the account icon in the top right corner and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Identification. You will be directed to the Identity Verification page. Here, you will see various verification levels. Click on the Verify button to start the verification process. You will be prompted to choose your country of residence. Select your country from the list provided. Next, enter your personal information as requested, including your full name, date of birth, and address. Make sure all the information matches your official identification documents. You will then need to upload a valid identification document. This can be a passport, driver's license, or government-issued ID. Make sure the document is clear and legible. Once uploaded, you might also need to take a selfie for facial verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to capture a clear selfie. After you have completed all required uploads, click on the Submit button. Your application will then be reviewed by the Binance verification team. This process may take a few hours to a couple of days. You will receive an email notification once your verification status is updated. If approved, your account will be fully verified, and you can access all features. In case of rejection, review the reasons provided and resubmit your documents if necessary. Make sure to keep your account secure during and after the verification process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.